Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the Java program in BlueJ environment. Means how to write Java programs in BlueJ environment, how compile it and how to run the program. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Java program in BlueJ IDE, and here I am using BlueJ IDE version 4.1.4, and the problem is that write a program in Java to take a character as input and find out it is vowel or consonant or not an alphabet. Okay, so go to the BlueJ IDE. So this is the BlueJ IDE, and here I will write the problem in Java language, and the problem is that to take a character as input and find out it is vowel or consonant or not an alphabet. Okay, so at first we create a new class, and suppose we put the class name vowel underscore consonant. Okay, and press OK. So this is the class file. So at first we just open the editor, and whatever written into there, just delete it. And at first we write class vowel underscore consonant. Okay, and within that class I first write what the public static void main, and as argument just send string array, so string args. Okay, and now what happened, at first we take a boolean data type, means boolean variable, so just write boolean is v and put it value false. Okay, and take another variable character, suppose char c, and as input is concerned, so at first we should import the scanner class, so just write import java.util.scanner. Okay, now as interactive way, at first we write system.out.println enter a character. Okay, and after what we just instantiate of the scanner class, means we have create the object of the scanner class equal new scanner and send as argument system.in, close this parenthesis and put a semicolon. And now what happened, just write c equal, means we take the input as character, so just write c equal to sc dot next dot char at and send as argument as 0 position. Okay, now here we use the switch case statement to do this operation to find out the vowel or consonant or is not a alphabet. Okay, so just write switch and send the variable c as its condition, and just write here case, and we know the vowels are a, e, i, o, u, and here we take all fives, means the uppercase a, e, i, o, u and lowercase a, e, i, o, u. Okay, so just write case a, and similar manner write case in uppercase, then put colon. Same way write case e in lowercase, and same manner write e in uppercase, then put colon, and then I, again I but in uppercase, then write o, same manner write in upper, and at last write u in both, in lower and upper. And if this case is satisfied, then we change the boolean variable value is v equal to true. Okay, and don't need to put here any break. Okay, Now after what? We just check the condition at first, write if is v equal true, then we just print system.out.println C plus, and within double quote just write is a vowel. Okay, now we write else, and now what we write in else part? Again we check a condition, and the condition is that if C greater equal within single quote small a, means the character small a, and C less equal within single quote small z, or C greater equal within single quote capital A, and C less equal within single quote capital Z. Okay, if it is true, so in that case we just print system.out.println C plus within double quote write is a consonant. Okay, and else if this condition is not satisfied, then we can print system.out.println C plus is not an alphabet. Close this double quote, close this parenthesis, put a semicolon. And now what happened? We should end this else part, and then we close our main method, and then close our class vowel underscore consonant. Okay, so if we compile it, so there is no error, and close it. Now what happened? Just run this code, just call this main method, and in the console just provide enter a character. Suppose we put capital A and press enter. Yes, A is a vowel. Again, if we run this main method and suppose we put some character C, C is a consonant. Again, if we run this main method and now we put small u, yes, u is a vowel. Again, if we run this main method and put a number, 6 is not an alphabet. Okay, so in that way we can code in Java to find out the character which is provided as input is a vowel or consonant or not an alphabet. I hope you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye-bye.